Hey, what's up, Silver Lining? Gonna run the Colorized Monkey King for Chad Anderson. 10 spots, $3 a spot. And got Scotty Morris on top, Matthew Mundy on the bottom. In spot number 10 that I wanted. Time is 9:12 p.m. We're live at 9:12. 2 dice, 5 or more. Bada bing, bada boom. 9. 9:12:39. 9:12:40. Spot 10 on top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 8, Scotty Morris on top. Monday on the bottom. Dice rolls a 9. It's 9:13 now. Wish you guys good luck. And final row at 9:13. And number 9. Bada boom, bada bing. Yep. Of course that happened. 9, 9, 13, 14, 13, 10. Damn it. Which I wouldn't have been running the video if I was in it, so spot 10 probably wouldn't have won, but something just told me spot 10. Damn it. Congrats, Matthew. Done at 9:13.